beginning? Where does it end? I feel like you're restless, ready to run, follow the sun and the stars. This is the beginning. Where does it end? This is the beginning. Where does it end? It's not a game. We walk through the fire. Believe you can fight them. Shatter the fear. Come on, you got to learn how. This is the beginning. Where does it end? This is the beginning. Where does it end?
Have you ever felt like nobody was there? Have you ever felt forgotten in the middle of nowhere? Have you ever felt like you could disappear?
Kwento ko lang po yung story namin ni Helen Grace Absalon.
Well, let that lonely feeling wash away.
Parang unang beses ko siya nakita, medyo nagustuhan ko siya.
'Cause when you don't feel strong enough to stand, you can reach out your hand.
Masasabi ko na rin na parang love at first sight. Nagkaligawan, niligawan ko siya.
Someone will come running, and I know they'll take you home, even when the dark comes crashing through.
Ganon din, Helen Grace, si Kenneth ay ibinigay ng Diyos na angkop na makakasama mo habang buhay. For 9 years, na pagsasama ninyo, marami na kayong ibinigay sa isa't isa. No? Balikan ninyo isa-isa ang inyong mga naibigay.
We'll be fine. You will be fine. There's a place where we don't have to feel unknown. And every time you call out, you're a little less alone.
Helen Grace, bukal ba sa iyong lubang yung pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Kenneth na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Padre.
Even when the dark comes crashing through, when you need a friend to carry you, and when you're broken on the ground, you will be found. So let the sun come streaming in, and you'll reach up and you'll rise again. Just go on looking around. You will be found. You will be found. You will be found.
You will be found.
You will be found.
Kenneth, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Helen Grace na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay? Opo, Padre.
Ang nagustuhan ko po kay Kenneth, mabait po siya, mapagmahal, maasikaso, at higit sa lahat, gwapo.
All this new, all this
comes crashing through when you need a friend to carry you, and when you're broken on the ground.
Papasalamat ako sa iyo, Kenneth, na nakilala kita at nagkaroon tayo ng isang napakagandang blessing. Pinagkaloob sa atin ni Lord. Salamat kasi nandyan ka. Binibigay mo lahat ng suporta mo sa amin bilang isang pamilya.
Kaya Kenneth, magpasalamat ka sa Diyos dahil hinanapan ka din ng angkop na kasama ko habang buhay si Helen Grace. Ano sabi doon sa kanta? Ano na? Ano yun? Ganda? Ano yun? Bigay ka ng kaloob. Ano yun? Bigay ka ng Diyos na makapangyarihan.
And every word that I could find in the corners of my mind will never be enough to let you know. This love is the best thing I have found.
Gusto kong ibigay sa'yo yung kasal na gusto ng bawat babae. Pangarap na kasal. Pangako ko, habang malakas pa ako, malakas pa tayo, mamahalin kita at ang pamilya natin.
This love is the best thing. The best thing I have found. You're the best thing I